I've put together a free strategy that will allow you guys to make money on OfferVault as a complete beginner, so let's get started. In case you're not entirely sure with the way OfferVault works, this is an affiliate marketplace where you get paid in order to promote various digital products. But apart from the affiliate offers, they also have a bunch of CPA ones. Now, CPA marketing stands for cost per action, and the way it works is actually really simple. It is the more beginner-friendly version of affiliate marketing, if you will. You see, when it comes to promoting affiliate products, you actually need to persuade people to purchase them and spend their money. But when it comes to CPA marketing, they don't have to spend a single dollar. You're literally getting paid in order to generate leads. In other words, you're sending people to some sort of landing page where they can enter in their information, such as their first name and email address, something basic like that, and you can get a very generous reward for doing so. And luckily for us, OfferVault has got a bunch of those that we can access for free. The first thing you need to do once you're here is log into your account. If you haven't registered already, that is very easy to do, so I'm not gonna waste your time. And now we can start searching for a suitable offer. Once again, we're not necessarily interested in the affiliate ones. Something you're gonna notice here is that the payouts can vary significantly, ranging from $1 or $2 per lead to $25 or even more than that sometimes. As you can see, you can literally earn all the way up to $1,200. But as you might expect, receiving that reward is a little bit more demanding. You might have to persuade people to invest in a certain cryptocurrency, to spend money on a certain platform, and so on and so forth, which is not ideal. That is pretty difficult to do, to be honest. And if you're just starting out, you want to stay away from this. Instead, here's the filter that you need to apply. When it comes to the networks, we don't really care about that, so you can just leave that empty. But for the categories, you want to focus on email or email submit. This is the easiest one to go for. You see, when it comes to entering in their credit card credentials, most people will be skeptical about that, and that's for good reason. Let's just think about it for a second. You're connecting to some random website and they're asking you for your credit card credentials. You're not gonna enter that. And that's why we need to stay away from those too. And from my experience, persuading people to enter their email address is the easiest thing to do. I mean, think about it. We're in 2022, and chances are everybody's inbox is filled with junk emails anyway. Nobody checks their email anymore. So that's the easiest one to convert. And now, ultimately, when it comes to the country, you want to focus on the United States because this will give you the highest payout rates. And as you can spot, we've still got a bunch of different offers here, but I would like to focus on these ones that have some sort of giveaway going on. For instance, this one is offering people a $250 gift card or a $100 Visa gift card. I'm not quite sure. Whatever the case, what people can do is click on that link that you're gonna send them. You will understand exactly how that works in a second. They will connect to this landing page where they can enter their email address, and that is how they take part in that giveaway. They get a chance of receiving a $100 Visa gift card, and you get paid $2.4 for every single qualified lead. That means if you drive one person from the United States, so an American, to that landing page and they go through the process successfully, you'll get paid $2.4. And that's 100% replicable. You can repeat that over and over and over again. And I'll show you how you can generate some sweet free traffic without paying for ads, without launching a Facebook ads campaign or anything of that kind. This might actually be one of the easiest methods we've ever covered, and it is certainly beginner friendly. Now guys, let's think about it this way. At this point, you could just click on run offer, get your own custom link, and then start sharing it with people. But that is not sustainable. How many people can you share it with? Chances are you will share it with your friends, and you might get a few conversions. Then you might connect to some Facebook groups, or perhaps some forums and share your link there too, but that is not sustainable and it is not that profitable. Most people will not click on your link, and you might even get flagged for spamming the internet with your link because that's what you're doing. So instead, you want to build a genuine stream of traffic, and that's what we're gonna do. The first step would be creating a custom landing page, and that will come in handy. Now, truth be told, the easiest way that you can build a landing page would be by using ClickFunnels. However, this is not cheap. They do have a 14-day free trial, and you could give that a try, but after that, your page will not be functional anymore, and you need to purchase their monthly subscription, which is about $297, I think, if you want to get all their features. And that is a pretty significant amount. So let's just try to use a free alternative instead, and that is Google Sites. Believe it or not, Google has actually put together a website builder that allows you to set up your own web pages in minutes, without any solid web page design skills or web development skills. All you gotta do is connect to Google Sites over at sites.google.com and then you can pick one of these templates, such as the salon one or the portfolio, the event one. Let's just go for this one. I think that will look pretty cool. And keep in mind, everything that you can see right here on the screen is fully customizable. I could go ahead and change all of these bookmarks here. I can change the name, fonts, the colors, the pictures. Everything is fully editable. But if you want to keep things simple, then you may want to start with the blank one. And now guys, let's just put things into perspective for a second. Let's just recap. So we've got our landing page right here that allows people to enter a giveaway where they can get paid. But what we need to do in order to grab their attention is create some sort of hype around it. We need to create some urgency. If this giveaway is available forever, people are not going to be that interested in joining you right now, because they have time, so they might never actually join it. But if it were only available for 24 or 48 hours, that would be a lot more efficient. And so we are going to create a countdown and integrate it on our website. What you want to do is connect to tickcounter.com, go over to their countdown section, and this is where you get to play around. What you want to do is go over to the date and pick the ending date of your giveaway. Let's just say that is tomorrow. I'm recording this video on the 18th of October, so let me just type in the 19th, right? And that leaves people with about 4 hours to go. Let's make it the 20th, so they have a little bit more time. And I think that is pretty good. And at this point, you can start playing around. You can change the background image and customize it so that it looks cool. And you've got plenty of options. So let's just pick one that really looks good. I think this one is just perfect. And of course, you want to make sure to change the title as well, because my countdown is not that suitable. You can type in something like giveaway ends in, and then you'll have your timer running. You can also play around with the color theme here to make sure that everything stands out and it is visible. Let's actually do that. And I think that is pretty good. So what I'm gonna do right now is click on make countdown, and that will provide you with both a link and then an embed code that you can use on your webpage. So I want you guys to copy this one. Now, if you go back over to your Google Sites and you click on this option right here on this icon, that will allow you to paste in your embed code, and then when you click on next, you will be able to add that to your webpage and it will be fully functional. That's the thing about it. You can actually see the countdown running here. So let's insert it and place it in a visible spot. You want to make sure that people cannot miss it. And that's about it. Now let's also make sure that we clean up the page as well. You want to customize your title and the background here and make sure everything looks clean. I'm just going for a very simple white background, and let's just go with something like get a $100 Visa gift card. Let's make sure everything fits nicely and we are good to go. Now, of course, I'm pretty sure you can do a far better job than I can, but this is just a basic guideline and you can take it from here. But most significantly, guys, you also want to have a call to action and a button that people can click on. So on that note, here's what you want to do. If you scroll down on the right hand side, you will see this option that says button, and that will allow you to add both the name and then a link to it. When it comes to the link, this is the one you will grab over at OfferVault.com. It is the link to the landing page right here. So let me paste that in. And then when it comes to the name, you're just going to place a call to action on it. Click here to take part. And once again, this is also customizable, so you can play with the design. But I don't want to waste too much time on that. I'm pretty sure you can do a far better job with the design. And last but certainly not least, you also want to add a picture, because that is really powerful. That will show people exactly what they are applying for. So we want to have one of these pictures of a Visa gift card. Let's search for that online. And once again, I'm gonna keep things simple. I just added this screenshot of a Visa gift card and that should do it. You can also play around with the placing and make sure that it is properly placed. But eventually, once you're done creating your web page, what you want to do is click on the publish button, and that will allow you to enter in a custom web address if you want to. And let's type in something like Visa gift card and then something else, because that may not be available. Once you hit the publish button, that will generate a link that you can share with other people. And we can also view the published site. This is what it looks like, and it is fully functional. Let's wait a second for it to load. There you go. As you can spot, the countdown actually works, and if people want to, they can click here to take part in the giveaway. Again, that was a very basic example, but it certainly serves its purpose. And at this point, once we have everything in place, the only thing left for us to do is just generating traffic, and that is not too difficult either. What you want to do is connect to Pinterest.com, and if you type in something along the lines of Visa giveaway, you're gonna find a bunch of very similar posts. As you can spot, we've got all of these different posts about Visa gift card giveaways. And if you click on one of those, you're gonna notice they all have a link right here. They are doing a very similar thing to what we are doing. In other words, they are making use of Pinterest.com, which is a huge platform in order to generate organic traffic, and then they are sending people straight over to the landing page, which is the ultimate goal. That is how you get that $2.4 bonus. And you will receive that for each and every single person that goes through the process successfully if they qualify. Remember, they need to be based in the United States and they need to actually enter their email. That is mandatory. But what is for sure is that you now have all the resources you need to make it work. When it comes to creating these posts, that is the no-brainer. All you gotta do is connect to some free websites such as canva.com and you can simply replicate what other people are doing. I wanna let you guys play around with that. That's it for now, and thanks for watching.